Looking to start boxing training at home but not sure which bag to choose? Best Punching Bag for Beginners can help you build strength, improve coordination, and relieve stress while learning proper punching techniques. Here are some great beginner-friendly options worth considering. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TechTools Punching Bag. The TechTools Punching Bag set is a practical option for anyone who wants a simple way to train, release stress, or stay active at home. This complete kit includes an inflatable speed bag, a spring-loaded stand, boxing gloves, and an air pump, allowing users to start training immediately without buying extra equipment. One of the most appealing features is the strong spring mounted at the base of the stand. After every punch, the bag quickly rebounds to its original position, helping users develop timing, rhythm, and striking accuracy. This responsive rebound makes it especially useful for beginners who want to practice speed and coordination. The stand is also adjustable from 48 to 58 inches, which means it can easily accommodate teens and adults of different heights. The base can be filled with either water or sand, providing the stability needed during energetic workouts. For people looking to improve their cardio routine, this punching bag offers a surprisingly effective workout while also helping to relieve daily stress. The included gloves provide basic hand protection and make the setup beginner-friendly. Number 2. FITVEN Freestanding Punching Bag. The FITVEN Freestanding Punching Bag is designed for people who want a more realistic boxing training experience at home. Standing approximately 70 inches tall, this punching bag allows users to practice a full range of strikes, including punches, kicks, and knee strikes, making it suitable for boxing, kickboxing, and general fitness workouts. One of its standout features is the advanced shock absorption system. With dual absorbers and 4 heavy-duty springs, the bag can handle powerful strikes while quickly bouncing back into position. This helps reduce vibration and noise while providing a satisfying training response. Stability is another area where this punching bag performs well. The thick ABS base includes 12 strong suction cups that help keep it firmly planted on smooth floors. When filled with sand, the base can weigh up to 205 pounds, which greatly reduces movement during intense sessions. The bag itself is constructed with multiple layers, including stainless steel support, foam padding, and durable PU leather, allowing it to withstand repeated impacts over time. Overall, the FITVEN Freestanding Punching Bag is a solid choice for anyone serious about home boxing training and stress-relieving workouts.
Number 3. Everlast Elite Punching Bag. The Everlast Elite Punching Bag reflects the brand's long reputation for producing reliable boxing equipment. Built with durability in mind, this heavy bag is designed to handle repeated punches from both beginners and experienced users. The construction combines natural and synthetic fibers along with sand filling, creating a balanced weight that provides solid resistance during training. This filling helps the bag absorb powerful impacts while still delivering the firm feel that many boxers prefer when practicing combinations and power punches. A dual hanging strap system improves stability and reduces noise while the bag swings, which makes it a good option for home gyms where excessive sound can be a concern. Reinforced straps further strengthen the design and ensure the bag stays securely in place during workouts. The mounted D-ring and strong panel provide reliable support when attaching the bag to a ceiling mount or stand. This thoughtful design helps the bag maintain its shape and performance over long training sessions. Whether used for boxing drills, conditioning exercises, or general fitness routines, the Everlast Elite Punching Bag offers dependable performance. Number 4. YORWHIN Freestanding Punching Bag. The YORWHIN Freestanding Punching Bag is designed to deliver a convenient and flexible training solution for home workouts. Standing about 70 inches tall, it offers enough height for both punches and kicks, making it suitable for boxing, karate, taekwondo, and general fitness training. The bag is made from thick, high-quality PVC material that provides durability while remaining elastic enough to rebound quickly after each strike. This quick rebound helps create a more engaging training rhythm while also absorbing shock to reduce noise during use. One of the key highlights is the widened 27.6-inch base, which lowers the center of gravity and helps prevent tipping during intense sessions. The base can be filled with either water or sand to provide additional stability, allowing the bag to stay firmly in place even when used for powerful strikes. This freestanding design also means it can be placed almost anywhere, from home gyms and garages to living rooms. This creates a more dynamic training experience and encourages movement and footwork. Overall, the YORWHIN freestanding punching bag offers a convenient way to practice martial arts or maintain fitness at home.
Number 5. ASBRAVO Punching Bag. The ASBRAVO Punching Bag set is a versatile training package that offers more than just a standard boxing bag. Made from durable Oxford cloth and PU materials, the bag is designed with a multi-layer shock-absorbing foam structure that helps reduce the impact of punches and protect the wrists and joints during training. This thoughtful construction makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced users who want a reliable bag for boxing or martial arts practice. One of the biggest advantages of this set is the wide range of included accessories. Along with the 4-foot punching bag, the package comes with 12-ounce boxing gloves, hand wraps, a swivel, mounting hardware, a jump rope, grip strength trainer, and reflex balls. This allows users to build a more complete workout routine that includes strength training, coordination drills, and cardio exercises. The included gloves feature 3 layers of foam padding and a wide wrist strap, providing good comfort and protection while punching. A sturdy stainless steel 360-degree swivel helps the bag rotate smoothly, improving safety and preventing the chain from twisting during intense workouts.